The baking soda dilemma: harmful or harmless?
Hello, everyone. In today's discussion, we're going to delve into an intriguing question about a common household item: baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Can it be harmful if ingested in large amounts? While it's a common ingredient in many recipes and even some home remedies, what happens when we take in more than the usual amount? Let's find out.
What is baking soda?
Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white, crystalline powder. It's well known for its use in baking, as a leavening agent, causing dough to rise. Moreover, it's used in cleaning and deodorizing, and even as an antacid for minor indigestion problems. However, as harmless as it may appear, its misuse can lead to severe health complications.
How can baking soda be harmful?
Ingesting large amounts of baking soda can lead to sodium bicarbonate toxicity. The primary reason for this toxicity is that baking soda, a type of salt, introduces a significant amount of sodium into your body. Too much sodium can lead to serious, potentially life-threatening symptoms. Common symptoms may include muscle weakness, convulsions, nausea, and in severe cases, it could lead to a condition called metabolic alkalosis, which can cause confusion, hand tremor, lightheadedness, muscle twitching, and even seizures.
What is the safe dosage of baking soda?
If you're using baking soda for health purposes, such as an antacid, it's important to stick to the recommended dose. The usual dose for adults is 1/2 teaspoon for every 3 to 4 hours, no more than 7/2 teaspoon in 24 hours, or 3/2 teaspoon if you're over 60 years. Never exceed the recommended dosage, and always consult with a healthcare provider before beginning any new health regimen. So there you have it. Baking soda, as ordinary as it may seem, has the potential to be harmful if ingested in large amounts. Remember, moderation is key. As with anything, overconsumption can lead to unwanted side effects, even with something as seemingly benign as baking soda. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember to always use substances responsibly. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Till next time.